A lovely cup of tea. Bloody gorgeous. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna begin cleaning and styling my nighty night girls. Yeah. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to break this video into two parts. I asked on Instagram whether people would prefer to watch one long video or two shorter videos, and I think the conclusion was two shorter videos. My aim for these girls, Jade especially, I'm gonna see if I can, give her hair like an old Hollywood style. Now I'm able to do this hair on myself, see reference images here, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to execute that on a doll. The way that I do my own vintage hair is I use these very old rollers and I roll my hair up and tie them into place and keep them in overnight. I don't really have anything that's small enough for a doll, but I do have these. Now I'm hoping with Jade's hair, that's the most important one for me, that I make her look like an old Hollywood star. If I can roll her hair up when it's wet in these really tight and just leave it for a couple of days, I'm hoping I'll be able to style it. So fingers crossed. For the other girls, I'm not sure. Fiona, I would love to get rid of this huge ass forehead. Why do they always make Fiona with a massive forehead? So I'm thinking about moving her parting, if I can, over to the side and just getting rid of some of this huge forehead she has. Move her hair over. Oh god, this is the worst example. Chloe, I'm not really sure. I really like the style she already kind of had, where it was tied up with two little elastic bands. I'm thinking that if I could give her like a front wave, and then just maybe I can give her like a little bit of a page boy. I don't want to cut their hair at all. I want to stay pristine. And Yasmin's, maybe we could tie up the sides, give her some bumper bangs or something. I'm gonna work it out, but these girls, they're gonna look fab by the time I'm finished, so let's wash their clothes. The first step for me really is removing all of their clothes and their shoes so I can give them a good old wash. I'm hoping that these don't break. Oh my god. So I'm gonna put these all in the wash and I'll see you shortly. This might be the most delicate bunch of doll clothes I've ever had to wash. Oh god, they're stuck together already. I'm kind of scared to wash some of these. They're so dainty. Especially Chloe's ones. Oh my gosh. But I hope I can puff back up these guys. Ooh, so cute. Okay, so I've got my warm water. Okay, maybe it's warmer than warm. You can see the steam. I'm just gonna leave this lovely soup sit for a while and then rinse off the clothes. Do you know how hard it is to brush plastic hair that is about 20 years old? It is unbelievably hard. Jesus.